Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to write essay on National Unity Day means RASHTRIYA EKTA DIWAS. So let's start the video. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary is celebrated as National Unity Day across the country on 31st October. RASHTRIYA EKTA DIWAS is celebrated to give tribute to India's first Home Minister who led the task of integrating princely states into the Union of India after independence in 1947. In 2014, when Narendra Modi's government formed at the centre, it was decided that October 31st be celebrated as RASHTRIYA EKTA Divas. In 2018, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue, called the Statue of Unity, was unveiled in Gujarat. It is the tallest statue in the world with a height of 182 meters. The statue depicts Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India, in a dhoti and shawl towering over river Narmada. He is also famous as an Iron Man of India and as one of the founding leaders of Republic India. He said that every Indian should now forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh or a Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in his country but with certain duties. He also said that take the path of truth and justice and don't misuse your valor and remain united. He requested peoples of India to live together to create Shresth Bharat or Foremost India. He said that little pools of water tend to become stagnant and useless. But if they are joined together to form a big lake, the atmosphere is cooled and there is universal benefit. So at last I want to say that manpower without unity is not a strength. Unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.